am over here at the Boardwalk Resort. We just got on a boat heading over to the Hollywood Studios, guys. So we had one video posted of the boat ride from here over to EPCOT. So this is the second boat ride. This one goes, I actually got in on the left-hand side when you're walking down the ramp, and this one's actually going to take you from the Boardwalk Resort over to the Yacht and Beach Clubs. You're going to have a chance to either stay on the boat or get off, and then you'll go on over to the Swan and Dolphins, and then you'll go on down to Hollywood Studios. But right now we're leaving here at the Boardwalk Resort, and that's one of the other boats that's coming over from, it looks like the Swan and Dolphin area. So that came over from the Yacht and Beach, and then it was over in that direction. And over to the right there, that Beach Club entrance is where the other boat's going to go. It'll take you around the corner there to the right and drop you off over in the back entrance of EPCOT. So at a distance you see right there, you've got the Beach Club, blue buildings, and the Yacht Club, that's the gray buildings. And in the middle of them you got the old big pirate ship, and that's pretty much the slide that's going to feed into the big pool that they both share. It's the Stormwater Bay pool. That's the Boardwalk Resort. And that resort's actually broken into a couple of different resorts. So you have the inn, which is actually part of it. You've got the Boardwalk, so you'll have different sections of that when you stay there. Overhead right now, there's a better look at the pirate ship. And we're getting ready to park up here at the Yacht Club for a second. We'll let some people on, maybe some people get off, and then we'll continue to journey on over to Hollywood Studios. Welcome to the Yacht Club. That's a look back at the boardwalk there. And that spans right around the waterway there, all the way over to the dance hall. Behind it, the Dolphin, the Swan. And over to the left, that's a spot where people, they end up going and having wedding receptions there. And everybody's on, and we're getting ready to head over to the Swan and Dolphin side, guys. So we're going to say goodbye to the lighthouse here over at the Yacht Club. And we're off. So this actually doesn't take very long to make the journey, but it's a lot quicker than having to jump on a bus. It's a little faster than walking over. And there's one of the friendship boats right now heading over underneath that bridge. That's going to take them over to the EPCOT-area. The Yacht Beach Club. And since I've been coming here back in the 1980s, this place has just never changed. You get older, but the resorts don't. People over here anymore, and slowed down a lot. And if you see off in the distance there the big dolphin, I'm going to look over at the Beach Club there. A little bit of construction going on over at the boardwalk, not too much, but a little bit. There's your dolphin. And we're going to make our way underneath the bridge, and the bridge is going to take us over to a little landing point there, and that's where we're going to either disembark at the Swan Dolphin or the Swan Reserve, or we're going to stay on and head right on over to the Hollywood Studios. If you guys are over on this boat anytime soon, my advice would definitely be when you come over here, if you go into Hollywood Studios and you have a little extra time, I'd get out at the Swan and Dolphin and take a walk around. These are really nice hotels over here, so there's a lot to see. The pool over here at the Dolphin side is pretty incredible. We've got both of those posted. You can go into our Swan and Dolphin and then Country Bear Tours, you can see that. There's the entrance into the boardwalk if you guys are in Surrey, or if you're walking around the boardwalk, that's what you're going to walk under to go back into the boardwalk section. And once we're done over here at the Swan and Dolphin, that's the bridge we're going to be jumping underneath to head on down to Hollywood. Give you another look back out from the Dolphin here. Not too much construction here, a little bit. And back in the distance is the Swan Resort. And here we are, guys, Swan and Dolphin. Alright, we're heading out. Not too many people getting on over here. Like I said, it's been slow here lately. And that's the big black section of the building where the monorail is actually going to go right out through. And it's still not too late to pull it off. And as I said before, I would definitely get off, walk around in here. They've got restaurants, they've got shopping stores in there, they've got the swimming pools out back. A lot of stuff to see and do. If you just like seeing new things, it's definitely a nice walk. And if you guys got a little bit of endurance in you and you enjoy the scenic walks, you could make the walk over from the boardwalk, anywhere on the boardwalk. You'll walk around, instead of going into the boardwalk section, you can actually walk along the sidewalk and walk right on down to Hollywood Studios instead of taking a boat. And that's a little bit of a walk, but it goes by pretty quick. One of these days I'm going to get over here and film it. I'll see if I can get the kids over and we'll do a walk on that one. I'd like to do it at nighttime. We're trying to get a little mix and match anymore of coming in night and coming in the morning. Change up the videos a little bit. We're going to be doing a lot more updates on the actual resorts as they have construction and stuff like that going on. We're getting a lot of people asking us about, can they get the info ahead of time before they come down, which ones are getting worked on, which ones aren't. It's definitely smart when you guys are booking your vacation. Double check, make a call to Disney if nothing else. I'm pretty sure they'll let you know they've got a lot of construction going on. Like if you go over to like the Grand Floridian and you show up there and they have check-in and you see that mess over there, I'm sure they don't want to put yourself in a bind like that, so I'm sure they'll let you know they got stuff going on instead of just trying to fill the rooms. And you can see there's really nobody out there even walking it slow. You got one group of people there. They're either heading over to their rooms or they're heading on over to the Hollywood Studios. And that's the back side of the Boardwalk Resort. That's my favorite side, the colorful side. The other side's a little more elegant. Walking through, it's real pretty, but on the outside, I like the looks of this one. Makes you feel like you're at the Boardwalk. And these boats, I don't know how many of you guys ride the boats or not, but these boats work constantly on these things, whether we're in the parks, out at the parks. We go on just about every boat in Disney all the time. The boats are just relaxing, they're fun. You get to see all that different stuff you might not have seen walking around. You guys can wave at the boats when they're coming by. They always got somebody waving at you. And when you guys are on the boats, keep your eyes peeled because periodically they've got the characters that are actually on the boat. So you can go by and you'll see like Mickey Mouse on a boat. So it's kind of cool seeing that stuff. That's another reason I like walking around, just going into places where it's like less people. Even though it's a long walk somewhere, it's pretty cool because sometimes you just, in the middle of the blues, run into some kind of character walking from point A to point B, and you're the only one there, so you get a pretty cool picture. There's a look back at the Skyliner, and that's the corner section where you're going to make the turn, going from EPCOT over to the Riviera. And if you guys haven't seen our Skyliner videos, just type up Skyliner, Walt Disney World Skyliner, and Country Bear Tours on the end of it, and it'll take you to all the videos. We're wrapping up the website right now. I've totally just stripped down the website, made a lot of changes, and I'm just going to be uploading a lot of the videos back into it, and then we're going to get that thing relaunched. Getting a lot of interest from people that they want to see the website back up again. I guess it's a lot easier still here, still working. That's how you can tell you're getting close to the Hollywood studios. Anytime you see that big tower there, you know you're close. And once again, on this boat ride, you're not seeing a lot on the way over on the right-hand side. Once you get down here, you get to see the obviously the Tower of Terror. Most of the stuff you're going to see is on the left-hand side. When you guys are leaving Hollywood, going back to the Boardwalk, Swan Dolphin Beach, or the Yacht Club, sit on the right side of the boat, because that's where most of the stuff you're going to see is. I always like to know where I'm going to be positioned before I go, and there's a look at the Skyliners coming in. So they're coming in from over at the Caribbean Beach Resort. That's where one of the little stations are, and that's where if you get on there, you're going to go over there, and you're going to have to get out over there and decide if you guys are going over to EPCOT or over to the Art of Animation, Pop Century, heading down that direction. And that's it. We'll see you guys on the next one. Hope you enjoyed this boat ride, guys.